Just like rat.
Could be. Chinese restaurant. Ah. I'm kidding. It's chicken.
No, it's not chicken test.
Then she said, I don't want no more dogs. But you saw the skunk before you let him out, so you shouldn't let him out.
I don't realize. Tignan nyo, it's so clean, guys. I just love it.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! 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 It's 8:56 na ng umaga. It's 8:56. I'm heading out, going to the other house to see my baby. What? So I decided to drive over there and go see him. Kasi bata sa dama natin. Hala, ang ganda ng ano bahay na yan. Yeah, I decided to go drive to see him. And yeah, if he like it or not, he doesn't like it, well, I'm already driving. And you know, because the gas and stuff like that. Pero anyway, so magkita-kits na lang tayo doon sa isang bahay or the driving. Hello, Day. Tapos na mo nagkaon?
What?
Asa naman mo?
Dito pala, isda.
Oh, nangatog na mo?
Oo.
Ngi.
Naman na isda pa,
Kasayo gunin nyo na tulog. Kung sa mailang gipamalit, o niya, ang imong barbecue nga na electric fan, okay na.
Oo.
Di na ka magsigpaypay, dili mang lagpot ang mga abo.
Ilan? Hindi, makalimot ko. Nagpaypay din, kalimot ko lang.
So, dili na kapoy, Day. Erneng. So, yun siya, nawala yung signal ko dito. Kasi ang signal kasi dito, ano, loko-loko. Binilahan ko yung kapatid ko ng ng electric fan. Kasi nag-barbecue siya. So, may ginansya naman, may profit naman siya. Okay naman yung profit niya. Maganda naman yung profit niya. Almost, makikita niya yung kung magkano yung binili niya sa barbecue. Yung for example, bumili siya ng maganda yan guys sa mga sa Pilipinas diyan na walang trabaho. Mag-barbecue or magluluto-luto kayo ng ng mga pagkain at ilagay ninyo sa yun, itinda ninyo, paninda. Yan. Yung kapatid ko, magaling kasi yun mag-barbecue, masarap yung niya at saka sobrang clean, sobrang malinis yung niya. Lalo na kapag yung mga intestine, yung ulo, talaga niya, linisin talaga niya yung mabuti. At saka, sabi pa ng mama ko, pati sa pagbubuhil, nilagyan pa ng mga abubot-abubot para hindi yung mawala yung langsa. Lagyan ng tanglad, yung lemongrass ba. Kahit yung ilagay niya na para pang pabango ng niluluto niya, yung hindi malangsa. At saka, marinate, and then tuhog-tuhog, and then so yun yung kapatid ko, mahilig yan sa mga ganyan noon pa. Mga luto-luto. Magaling yun magluto. And so nag-barbecue siya. For example bigyan ko kayo ng example. Meron kayong 500. Ninyo yan, bumili kayo sa palengke ng mga pang-barbecue mo, di ba? 500. So maganda naman yung niya. Half naman yung profit niya. Kung magkano yung So yun na lang yung everyday na niya tinitipon-tipon niya. Kung magkano yung ginansya yung profit. Yun. Na daw yung niya, yung masakit daw yung niya sa kakaano ba. And everyday daw siya ganun-ganun. Paypay ng paypay. Sabi ko, okay, bilhan kita ng electric fan. Para yun na ang pang para. So sabi pa niya kanina na daw. Makalimutan daw niya na mayroong electric fan. Kasi yung electric fan, yung pinakamaliit na electric fan na walang stand. Ang stand lang niya is parang flat sa baba na ng para ganun. Yun ang At saka kahit mahina lang yung electric fan na paano mo pagpaandar, na yun, thumbs up na yun para pang hindi ka na maganon-ganon. Ang gagawin mo na lang is you have to plate the barbecue. Ang init ng bahay na to. Sobrang grabe init. Galing ito sa kuan. Guys, magmumukbang ako nito, guys. In order ito kahapon sa amin sa isang lugar. At gusto kong pumunta dito, doon balik ulit para imukbang. I like it. Spinach is good. The lipstick that I'm wearing pala today, guys, is MAC Review. Madali siyang matanggal. Shrimp stuffing. I don't know. Shrimp ito siya, guys. May mga laman-laman. Sabi ni Tame, mid-season. Pero, masarap naman siya. It's good.
The stuffed shrimp?
Yeah.
Could use more flavor. Could use more flavor. But
The beef is
tough.
good.
Yeah, it's tough.
Huh?
It's tough.
No, I like it.
I know, because you like everything overcooked.
This one is good. But why? But why separate?
It's stuffed shrimp. You're supposed to eat it as one. The little pork wrap. You didn't get the little pork wrap?
What pork wrap?
I don't know, a little wrap of bacon porks or something.
I guess it's pork.
No, that's chicken.
Just like rat.
Could be. Chinese restaurant. Ah. I'm kidding. It's chicken.
No, it's not chicken taste.
I'm pretty sure they were chicken kebabs. Maybe I was wrong, but
It doesn't taste like chicken.
I'm pretty sure it was chicken.
Not taste like chicken. There is a taste in it.
Okay. Not rat, hon.
I'm sure it's a rat.
It's not rat.
No.
You can't get that much meat off a rat.
Big rat, like
Big
a
rats.
like a
You
cat.
see rats? Yeah.
Ang sarap ng beef. Kini sure ako na beef. Klaro naman sa meat na beef. Ito, not sure. You want to go back to the place? Yeah. Last night, I let them out every night, guys. 9 o'clock. So I let them out with the side door, the garage side door. I go with them, and then I saw something black and white, and I thought it's toy because it's really tiny. So the dog running, they don't even do bark, guys. Hindi sila nagbabark, hindi, walang noise. Ang nangyari, guys, they play with it, they try to play with it, they jump back, they go and like that. I don't realize it was a skunk, and then I keep yelling like, Roxy, Misty, come in, and I keep yelling. It's 9 o'clock in the night, at night. And they don't listen, guys, because they are a hard-headed dog. Roxy won't leave that skunk alone. And she just kind of like tried to play with it with a paw. I put the camera here because people. And so, the skunk is squirt. If, sa Pilipinas, guys, in the Philippines, if you guys don't know what skunk, explain what's a skunk.
It's an animal.
Yeah, but
It's self-defense mechanism. It squirts a really foul-smelling oil, and it gets squirted up to 16 feet away.
Yeah, and it is really bad. Like the smell of the skunk spray, it is really bad. Like I don't know, guys. I don't know.
Because they're not very fast animals. This way, whatever animals chase them and trying to hurt them, they squirt them, and then those animals run away. That's how they defend themselves.
When the skunk is spray Roxy and Misty, I think is so far from the spraying thing, but she gets still a little. Roxy get the worst one. Got the worst skunk spray.
Right in the face.
Right in the forehead, right here, because she do like that. And Roxy run away, guys. Once she got sprayed, she ran away from the other tree, rolling all over, try to wipe his thing, and then I realized it's a skunk. I can smell it. So bad. I called Tommy quick, and I almost threw up, guys.
Then she said, I don't want no more dogs. But you saw the skunk before you let him out, so you shouldn't let him out.
I don't realize a very little teeny tiny skunk.
It's your fault.
Okay, we are here. It's right there. Hold on. Okay, oh, it's nice. Tignan niyo, it's nice. Okay. Okay, like I said, I like that over there, guys. Look at it. Oh, they're so clean. Okay, let me show them. Oh, this is the dessert right here. Yeah, they have dessert. Oh my god, this is like a mango float kind of thing. No, it's not. Looks like a mango float, but it's not. And they have shrimp over there. Oh, this. What is this? Do you need to cook this? I guess it's like a salad. You just have to get a little bit for you. And you still have to do, mom, right? Be careful how that you
mix them up.
Huh?
Mix them.
Oh, okay.
I like the chicken, so I just get more chicken.
You like that?
Yeah.
Sa akin, guys. Take out ito, guys. Oh, they have also, guys, that you can pick if you want them to cook them for you. Meron sila dere o mix. Kakaiba din sila yun. And meron din silang sushi doon. Meron silang sushi. Tignan nyo. It's so clean, guys. I just love it. This is my first time of like, you know, like that's domain.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh my god, you get a lot, huh?
By the time I came here, it was like, this is all well done, brown.
Be careful, maybe it's just like that time. I just love the seafood, guys. Seafood.
The meat, so you can give it to the puppies.
Puppies? There's no puppies. No puppies.
Kitty kitties.
Kitty kitties. Kitty kitties. I'm gonna do mukbang with it, guys, later. Mukbang. We'll see you later, guys, because when I get home, I have to... Can I just go home, hon?
Yeah.
Huh? You understand, right? Do you really...
No, I understand. It's 4 o'clock. By the time you get there, it's going to be 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Okay. We have like brown and yellow rainbow wheat.
Yeah, it's from the fair.
Nag-ano lang kami ng dinner. It's 4:30 na. Kailangan ko nang umalis, guys. Kailangan ko ng music din. Gusto ko ng magandang music. Hi guys! Hi sa inyo guys! Kararating ko lang guys. Luckily, itong dalawang aso hindi umihi dito. You smell, Skunk. What did you did? Tell your friends what you did last night. Yeah, I told you. Just tell them. Don't come over close to me. Ay, naku, lagi. Just tell them what you did. You play with the skunk, ha? You play with the skunk last night, ha? You did. Guys, ito yung imumukbang ko. For sure, nakita na ninyo ito, guys. I'm sure nakita na ninyo yan. Kakain tayo. Squid po ito, guys. Squid ba yun? Hindi ito squid. Octopus. Ang sarap. Grabe. They don't wanna go out. They just keep looking because Dada is right somewhere. Dada is not coming here because Dada is not here. What? Dada is not coming and Dada is not coming. O, nilagyan ko ng blanket, guys. Kasi doon si Roxy umuupo siya kagabi doon sa rug. So, nilagyan ko ng para hindi siya mabaho ng skunk. Pero, inisprehan ko na siya doon. So, wala nang smell ng skunk dito sa loob ng bahay. Do you like beef? I will give you beef after I eat. And then, you know, I won't give you seafood. But the beefy, I will give you some beef. I think you would love beef. I don't know, do you want some beef? I think you would love beef. I just keep talking and then I just want her to tilt her head. I don't know, just beef. Dada. No. You're not coming here. You are not coming here. You're stinky kunky. You're stinky kunky. 9 o'clock na ng hapon, gabi. And punta na ako sa taas. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you all guys so much for tuning in this video. And I appreciate it. And see you sa susunod na kabanata. Tignan yata. Anong ginawa ni Hubs? Dimples eh. Tignan niyo to. What are you doing, little man? Tingnan niyo to. Oh, look. Tingnan niyo to. Oh, look. May small bug kasi yung mga little tiny bug. Lumilipad-lipad, nakapasok sa bahay. So yun, itry niyang i-catch. Look. Itry niyang i-catch. Look. Ang cute ni bug. Oy, ang cute talaga ni Hubsy boy. Hubsy bug, you're such a cute little man. I love you. Little man. I love this little cat. I love him so much, guys. He has a really good personality, this cat. Tignan niyo itong dalawa. You cannot go to bed with mama. Nuh-uh. You cannot. No, you cannot. No. Don't rub he like to rub his face on my face. Like, Roxy? No. Roxy. You don't listen. When I called you, you listen. Huh? That's why you get a skunky smell. Because when I called you, you don't listen. You become a hardhead. Oh, you being a hardhead. The two of you doesn't listen. Okay, we're gonna end the vlog now. Okay, we're gonna say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. He knows. No. Bye-bye now. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. She doesn't like it. I'll be right back. Ayaw niya, guys. Ayaw niya. I'll be right back. You bye-bye. Alam niya. Kasi alis ako. Hindi ako alis, guys. Ay. Inaatik-atik ko lang to. Bye-bye na. I'll be right back. Tuklod. I'll be right. You smell like stunky kunky. You still have that little tiny smell on your rock. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you all guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Good night, guys. Hala, asan yan? Asan punta mo, Rox? Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Gusto niya punta sa. Bye-bye.